Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can allow new members in your Figma team to edit your projects and to work with you on them instead of only viewing them. So let us get started and show you how to do it, guys. So for this method, head over to the home section of Figma. Make sure that you're logged in with your account and select your team here on the left panel. Let me go with that team here. You may select it by clicking on that arrow down icon here and select one of these teams or create a new one. So here, guys, you will be redirected to that overview of your team with all associated projects in that team. So if you'd like to allow new members to work with you on these projects and to edit them, not only view them, you may do that by inviting new members by clicking and share here in the top right corner. And here you will be given access to that invitational link, or you may invite new members via email. But before you do that, guys, make sure that you select or click onto that arrow down icon here next to the given invitation link and switch from Can View to Can Edit, so that new members who accept your invitation may be given the permission to also edit your projects and to work with them or on them with you and not only view them. And that's basically it, guys. After that, click on copy link here and share the invitational link with your contact via, I don't know, for example, direct messages or posts on social media or email invitations. You may, for example, post that link into an invitation email. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.